In this video, I will show you how to update your NVIDIA drivers. The first thing you have to do is go to Google and search for NVIDIA GeForce Experience. Then click the first link and then hit download. Next, you have to open up the program. This is the GeForce Experience. Click on drivers and then click on download. Now it's going to download the latest driver update. And then click on Express Installation. Click yes on the Windows pop-up. Don't think that there's something wrong when the screen is flickering. That's completely normal because it's updating the graphics card drivers. And now it's installing the latest game ready driver. Just wait and let it install, and then you're ready to go. And you got the latest NVIDIA drivers.